Well, are you excited? We are finishing up our last bit of this lesson. We are finishing up the orders of operations lesson and numerical expressions, how to do them, what they are, how to use them. You can use this. It has a bunch of different dynamics of math in it. It's got your exponents, your addition, subtraction, multiplication. You use this your entire life, from counting change, adding up your money, to anything and everything. So we are going to be learning how to make this a little more enjoyable at the end. You're still going to have an exam, but we are going to do a lesson that on Animoto. You're going to show me what you learned. That's going to be something else that we learned today. But we're just going to finish up what you've done with an assessment. So you're going to show me what you've learned of how to write, how to interpret, and just show me what you learned. So to finish up this week, we will do a written assessment, which I have done in Google Docs. And you're going to learn how to do Google Docs this week. So I have shared this to you, which means that it has came to your classroom site, and it has also went to your email. You can go in, you can edit it, and it saves under your work. It saves all your work at that time because it's on a cloud basis, so it saves right then and there. And so I have set it up. This is also one of the websites that you should have had in your Symbaloo, and it's also on my classroom website under important web pages. So I've got it pulled up. I'm going to pull it up here, and if I can get it to run. So we're going to go to the Google Docs. Actually, I needed this one. And I have shared this to you, and it has some problems on it. That's going to be your assessment for the week. And to show me what you've learned, I've taken a couple of your problems that you submitted to me, and they're on this paper. So when you get done, you're sharing it back to me. Comes to my email. You put it in. That's also on the web page that I've shown you. Here under my web page, right down here. And so it'll share it back to me. And that will be your submission for your assessment. It has to be digital. You cannot put it on paper and hand it to me. It's all going to be on here. And last but not least, after we've done that, it's on your iPad, so you should be able to write without any problem and fill those questions out for me. So, to end with a little bit of fun, you've learned what it is, you've learned how to interpret these numerical expressions, you've learned what PEMDAS is, you've learned how to use it. You are going to make an Animoto. Let me show you what this Animoto is. It is also on your important web pages, which there again you should have put in your Symbaloo. So if I can get it to go, it should be there, but I've already got it pulled up, so we're just going to go here. As you can tell, I've already made a couple of examples for you, but you are going to make this Animoto, and you will do this by creating a new one. And it will allow you to make a whole bunch of different things. You're going to add, let me show you an example. If it'll go. Let's see here. Let me try it over here. So there we go. This is an example of something you're going to be doing.
Hi class.
I want you to show what PEMDAS is.
Today we are going to be using our
I want you to add some voice recording to it. I want you to add videos. I want you to show me what you know on your level. So that's just an example of what we're going to do. And that's going to end the week with fun. You can do it by creating a new one. You can even, it gives you different templates to pick from. So you don't have to make it from scratch. And when you say go into one, it's going to let you choose this template, and you can add pictures. You just go into each one and it'll show you. You can change the stuff in it. You can do different stuff. Add P. Tell me what P means. Tell me that it stands for parentheses. Add the symbols. Give me an example of an equation that has parentheses in it. So I just want you to do a little something fun to finish up this week. So show me what you learned, and we'll come back. I'll grade them over the weekend, and we'll see where we need to work at later.